Just a quick recap of the evening since I couldn't really vlog at the school. This is what happened. Found out that one of the kids up the street that harasses my kids was in my daughter's first grade class. So we had to have her switch because that kid's mom had asked specifically for that teacher, of course. But Tala got to pick the first grade teacher that she wanted out of all the others. They let her look at the class list and see where most of her friends from last year were. So she has a class with more of her friends now, and it's Alex's old first grade teacher, so it should work out. Have to wait and see. The first day of school is tomorrow. Yay! Since Alex's teacher last year is normally a 4th grade teacher, and they needed an extra class to spread out the students a little more, she switched to 3rd grade. This year she's back to 4th grade, and guess what? Alex has her again. Also this year, 4th graders switch classes between 2 teachers now. That never happened when we were in school. We didn't switch classes till junior high. But now, 4th grade, they're switching classes. He has 2 teachers. They're off to school, and I have the day to myself again. After all this summer, I don't remember what that feels like. I'm gonna find something to keep me busy, possibly Minecraft. Was ist das? I am wearing a sweater in August. Yes! It is very cold. It feels like fall. I love it. You might be a nerd if you turn on classical music to listen to while you're playing Minecraft. Yeah, that's me. Obligatory food blog. Hello.
Hi.
Look at the food. It's big. That is an awesome hamburger. Look at that. Okay. Food was good. Thank you.
Food was real good.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, I feed her like 4 or 5 times of my terrible cooking and she pays me with food like this. It works.
Yummy. I
Not
got
bad, man. It's
seconds.
just good cooking.
All I could say is, nom 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 nom.
Ah, you were focused a second ago. There is a Bacon Street, y'all. Look at that. Bacon Street. Ah, you jerked the car. Too far, too far. Zoom out. Bacon Street. Strange child. Fiesta, Fiesta. She just won Candyland Dora Explorer version. Fiesta. It's a fiesta on my head. Fiesta, Fiesta, Fiesta. It's a fiesta, 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 Fiesta. I got you a Fiesta, 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 Fiesta. Okay. Fiesta, Fiesta, Fiesta. Goodbye. Well, we've had a nice little girls' day out. No husband, no kids.
Spending money like water.
Yeah, mostly her, not me.
Yeah.
But it's been nice.
Family hug. You guys are getting in on this too. You guys are getting in on this too. Family hug. Family hug. Family hug.
Let me out.
Family hug.
Want one of them, but I kill him.
No, don't kill. Look, I made a snow golem inside my castle. Isn't it cool? Look, yo, that's a cloud. My castle touches the clouds. I have watchtowers that are topped with ice, and they touch the clouds. That's so sweet.